We're proud to welcome you, all of you, to Central State University, and thank you for joining us to the Land-Grant Open House. And also, we celebrate the Undergraduate Student Research and Scholarly Day. Today, we recognize the impact of the activities of our extension programs in our communities across Ohio, and the focus of our research on solving problems and making discoveries for the betterment of agriculture, health, and nutrition.
In the 10 years that we became a land-grant institution, I know we've made an impact on lives of individuals, families, and communities around the state. So I want to congratulate our research and extension faculty for all the work that they've done. And so I am happy to see that the tent is filled, and that hopefully, although we haven't been here this morning, that you've learned about all the things that Central State University does as a land-grant institution across the state.
Students, as you know, are the reason really we're all here. They're the foundation of everything that we do, and we're here to support their academic achievements and celebrate our talented students that are here with us today.
I hope you have an opportunity to listen to their poster presentations, to their oral presentations, and witness the intellectual and work ethic of our students.
My name is Kendall Ray Johnson, and I'm the youngest certified farmer in the nation. And I grow fruits, vegetables, herbs and peppers, and so much more. I just want to say to all of you, you can dream big. And with the right tools and support, you can make those dreams come true.
I'm very happy today. This is a great celebration of the land-grant programs. All the events that we have this morning leading up to today with this symbolic planting of the tree, I think is a testament of our commitment to agriculture, our commitment to research, to extension, to teaching. And I'm glad that students are involved in this component, and I look forward to many, many more years and events to come. Thank you.